Hello, sweet ones, and welcome to this week's guided meditation. As you settle into this sacred space, find a position that feels nurturing and supportive. Close your eyes gently and take a long, deep breath in through your nose and release it slowly through your mouth. Allow your breath to naturally flow, steady and calm. Feel the weight of your body as it rests on the earth beneath you. Imagine roots extending from your feet, anchoring you deeply into the earth's embrace. You are safe. You are held. With each inhale, draw in peace and stillness. With each exhale, release any tension, worries, or expectations. Let them drift away like clouds passing in the sky. As we begin this journey together, set the intention to connect with the vastness of your being, the infinite consciousness that you are, and the sacredness of your human form. Imagine now that you are floating in an infinite, timeless space. This space is pure light, pure love, pure presence. It is vast and unending, and you are part of it. You are consciousness itself, free and formless, expansive and eternal. In this state, you are connected to all that is. You feel no separation, no limitation, only the bliss of oneness. You move effortlessly through this space, shimmering like stardust, filled with curiosity and wonder. Then a call arises from within you, a longing to experience something new, something tangible, a desire to know yourself in a deeper way, not just as infinite light, but as form, as life, as creation. And so the journey begins. You feel yourself drawn toward a beautiful blue-green planet. It glows with life, surrounded by stars spinning gently in the vastness of space. You know this is your destination. Earth is calling you. As you approach the earth, you feel your consciousness shifting. The vastness of your being begins to focus, narrowing into a single point of light. This light is you, a spark of the divine preparing to enter a vessel, a human body. You feel the pull of gravity, the embrace of the atmosphere, the warmth of the earth's energy. And then you descend into the body for the first time. Feel what it's like to be held in this form. Your consciousness moves through every part of your vessel, exploring its intricacies. You feel the rhythm of your breath, the beat of your heart, the solidity of your bones. You stretch your fingers and toes, marveling at their dexterity. Everything is new. Everything is wondrous. For a moment you pause. You look out at the world through your eyes. You see light and color. You hear sounds, soft and sharp, melodic and chaotic. You feel the coolness of the air on your skin, the warmth of the sunlight. Every sensation is a gift, a reminder of the miracle of being alive. Now imagine yourself moving through your first moments of life on Earth. Picture yourself as a child, experiencing the world with fresh eyes and boundless curiosity. You feel the softness of grass beneath your feet, the tickle of rain on your face, the sweetness of fresh fruit on your tongue. You hear laughter and music, the rustle of leaves, the whisper of the wind. You feel joy and wonder, awe and delight. And then you experience your first challenge. Perhaps it's a skinned knee or a moment of sadness. You feel the sting of pain, the heaviness of tears. But even this is part of the journey, a part of what it means to be human. You learn that pain too is sacred, that it deepens your capacity for compassion and connection. As you grow, you experience the full spectrum of life, love and loss, triumph and failure, laughter and tears. Each moment is a thread of your human experience, weaving together the sacred and the mundane into something uniquely yours. Now bring your awareness back to the light within you, the spark of consciousness that began this journey. Even as you move through life in human form, this light remains. It is your essence, your truth. It connects you to the infinite, to all that is. Take a moment to feel the union of these two aspects of yourself, the infinite and the finite, the formless and the formed, the eternal and the earthly. Feel the harmony of being both consciousness and human, divine and embodied. Whisper to yourself, I am light. I am form. I am infinite. I am human. I am sacred. As we come to the end of this journey, take a breath in and release it slowly. Bring your awareness back to your body, back to the space you're in. Wiggle your fingers and toes, feeling the aliveness in your human form, remembering what you truly are. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, taking in the world around you. Let yourself see it with a fresh perspective, as if for the first time. Notice the light, the colors, the textures. Feel the air on your skin, the ground beneath you. Everything is sacred. Everything is a gift. Carry this awareness with you as you move through your day. Remember that you are consciousness having a human experience, and both are equally divine. Namaste.